everyone, welcome to English Learning Zone by Komal. In today's video, you are going to learn what is expository writing, why it matters, and how can you be adept at expository writing. But let me ask a question that what do you think it is a novel phenomena for you? No, not at all. You see it every single day whenever you are reading a textbook, you are reading from notes, are you reading newspaper article or a research article, either you are reading an instruction manual or a how to guides. It's all about expository writing. But let's learn why such type of writing is known as expository writing. Expository writing is a type of writing that explains, informs, or describes entities or phenomena. It focuses on facts, not opinions. It means all type of factual information presented in books, journals, research articles, newspaper articles, instruction manuals that is factual, mean not based on your personal opinion, biases, liking or dislikes. Okay, so such type of writing is known as expository writing. Expository writing is a type of writing that aims at providing clear, logical, and factual information to the readers. So we can say that there are different types of expository writing that have the same purpose, mean to convey something logically, clearly, and factually. Sometimes you need to explain a phenomena by providing a detailed description of something. That is descriptive writing. And if you're using ample examples to convey your theme on a subject, that is illustrative writing. And if you are explaining a process, for example, a process of making a recipe, so it means that is process analysis. And if your aim is to compare two entities, like two books written by two different authors, it means you are doing comparative analysis. And sometimes the writer needs to use different causes and affects relationships in order to explain a phenomena to the reader. So that is cause and effect relationship, a cause and effect type of expository writing. So we have different types of expository writing depending on the purpose, but the style will remain the same. Mean the writer will provide only the factual information without being biased, without sharing his own opinion. So let's discuss the purpose of expository writing. The purpose is to clearly explain a topic. Now, clarity mean clarity of thought and clarity of presentation. Clarity of thoughts mean the idea must be clear in the mind of the writer, in writer's mind. And secondly, clear logical presentation, use of correct grammatical structures must be utilized or used by the writer to make the topic more clear for the reader. So, secondly, to educate or inform the reader. The purpose of expository writing is to inform the audience, to inform the reader, or to educate them. Thirdly, its purpose is to present information logically and objectively. Logically mean there must be evidence, practical examples to support your thesis, to support your point. Objectively mean you are stating your information as it is without being biased, without sharing your own point of views, without sharing your own personal opinions on the subjects. So that is objectivity. So these are the common purposes of expository writing. Let's illustrate some examples of expository writing. For example, if you're writing a recipe that explains how to bake a cake, it means you are presenting information on a topic in a factual way, in objective way, without being biased, without sharing your own opinions. Okay, so that is the example of expository writing too. That is also known as process analysis. Secondly, if you're writing a news article that is based on actually facts about an event, again it is example of expository writing. A science textbook explaining photosynthesis is also example of expository writing because you are explaining the process of photosynthesis in an objective way without being biased, without your partial sharing your own views. A manual giving step-by-step instructions is also known as example of expository writing because it is factual, simple, clear and logical. So that was all about expository writing. Do subscribe to watch more videos on expository writing. Thank you.